Most scams are easy to spot. A prince from a far-off land emails you, or a shady guy in a suit promises 100% returns in a week. But the most brilliant scams don't look like scams at all. They look like a revolution. I used to work with the people who designed these financial systems. And today I'm going to show you why the thing you think is the future is actually a perfectly designed trap. Bitcoin has a fundamental problem. It doesn't produce anything. A farm grows corn. A company makes iPhones. But a Bitcoin, it just sits there. This is called the greater fool theory. You only make money if you find someone foolish enough to pay more than you did. The problem is, eventually you run out of fools. They call it digital gold. But when the internet goes out, or the power fails, or the government decides to flip a switch, your gold is just a string of numbers in a digital void. Real power isn't decentralized. It's held by the people who own the pipes. If they don't want you to trade, you don't trade. Period. The whales, the people who bought Bitcoin for pennies, need you to believe the hype. They need you to buy their Bitcoin at $70,000 so they can buy real-world mansions and islands. You aren't early. You are the exit liquidity. You are the one paying for the mansion while you hold a digital coin that could drop 20% while you're asleep. Bitcoin isn't a scam because it doesn't work. It's a scam because it works perfectly to move wealth from the many to the few under the guise of freedom. Don't get caught holding the bag when the lights go out. I'm just a guy who draws stickmen. But I've seen this movie before. Stay safe.